We'll guide you through how to create a video in Canva with music. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Canva. So you may know Canva as a photo editing and graphic design tool, but you can also go and create videos with this. So we're going to guide you through step by step how you can go and make a video with music. So make sure it's full guide and you don't go and skip anything, as otherwise you may go and miss an important part. And without any further ado, let's go and get started. So when you're in Canva, what you want to do is you want to go and find the option for create in the top left, and you can go and click there. Then on the left, you can go down, you can go and find videos. Now you want to go and choose the size. Personally, I want to go and make a usual 16:9 video. That's sort of a normal horizontal video. You may want to go and create one for Instagram or TikTok, which you could select. If you're doing just a normal sort of size video, you could select the YouTube video or the landscape video. You can actually see they're the same size when you hover over them. So we'll then go and click here, and this will then go and open up. Now what's going to happen is we're going to get some templates over to the side. But now what I want to do here is I want to go and add in the photos and videos I want to make this with. So to do that, come over to the left and find uploads, and you can click. You can then press upload files. Your file explorer is going to go and open up. Now what you want to do is go and start selecting the photos and videos you want to use this with. So I've got a video here. What you can do is go and hold control and start selecting other media you want to go and use. You can also click, hold and drag, by the way, as well. So you can then go through here and select it. So I've got these selected for now. I'll go and press open, and they're going to start uploading. You can press upload files and go and upload more though. So I'll click, hold and drag to select these and go and press open, and then now going and uploading. And you can go and see the progress here as well. So we'll just go and wait. So you can go and see we've now gone and uploaded them. And basically Canva goes and separates it. So we've got images, then we've got videos, you can look at audio, and you've got folders as well. So let's go and say you want to go and add in a video. What I could do is click hold and go and drag it in. And there it is, as you can see. And then you can go and start playing it back, or just turn it down a bit, and you can go and see it there. What you can do is you can click on hold and drag at the start and end to go and trim it, as you may not want to have certain points. So let's go and say I just wanted to go and have this initial part of me speaking here. I can then go and stop it when I want to, for example here. You can right click and you can go and make a split like so, and then you can select the part you don't want and go and press backspace, and that'll go and be deleted. Now what I'm going to do here is drag and drop some other media into the timeline, as you can see. So you can go and keep adding the different things you want. You can go and click on them, and I could then go and press crop, as I want to go and use a higher part of it, for example, and then we can go and press done. And I can go and do this for this one as well. I'll go and press crop, and I'll go and choose a different part of it, as I don't want to have that lower part. So you go and get the idea. You can keep on adding in more different photos and videos, and you can go and edit them. If you want to make them longer or shorter, come into the timeline and you can click, hold and drag it. As you can see, each way to make it shorter or longer to your liking. I'll do this for these others as well. Now what we can do is we can go and add in audio. So below it here, you can press add audio. Then you can press music and SFX. And what you can then do is come through these different options here. Scroll through here and you can go and see some of these do need Canva business. What you can do though is you can click and play, and if you like them, what you can do is you can then click, hold and go and drag them in like so. Alternatively, you can go and upload and go and use your own music as well. So for example, you could press uploads to the left, press upload files, and we can go and find some music. I could add in this here, for example, or whatever sound you've got, and you can then go and press open. It'll then go and upload, go and wait. And then what you can do is go and click, hold, and you can go and drag it in like so. Now what you can do is you can go and select it, and at the top you can go and press volume. You may want to go and decrease it or increase it in case that if they're speaking in the video, you may go and drown it out. And that's it. Of course, you can go and keep editing it, but we've now sort of done the basics. You can come over to the left and add text, elements and more. And then when you're ready, you can go and press share in the top right, and you could go and press download. And we can go and download it onto our computer, or back there you can see you can actually go and publish it as well. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to help you again.